Hello, everyone. You're welcome to my online mathematics class. We have some problem on number base. We are still on number base, but today we are going to solve question on addition and subtraction of number base. Look at the first question. The first question is in base 5. Why the second question is a subtraction question in base 6. So like we normally do our addition, we are going to have solution. We have 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, base 5, base 5. Addition sign at the center. When you are dealing with base 5, after the addition of the two of them, in the final answer, we must have numbers that are less than 5. The numbers I'm talking about should be 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and above must not be there because we are dealing with base 5. Let's go solve it. We have the first one, 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 will surely give us 8. I cannot write 8 here because I'm dealing with base 5. I know I must have numbers that are less than 5. So I am going to divide the 8 by 5 and put the remainder here. That means we are going to have 4 plus 4, 8. So I have 8 divided by 5. That means I'm going to have 1 remainder 3. That means here, and we have the 3 here. Then the other one that is here, and we add it to this other number here. That means I'm going to have my 1 here. So here I am going to have 1, this one that is here, plus 3, which is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 is still greater than 5, so I cannot put the 7 here. I have to divide the 7 by 5 too. Then I have 7 divided by 5. That will give us 1, remainder 2. So I will always put the remainder here. I have my 2 here. Carry the 1 to the next side. So I'm going to have again this 1 that I carried here, that is moved here. 1 plus 2. I have 3. 3 plus 4. I have 7. 7 is what I did here. So I'm going to first write the remainder, and I have my 1 here. Don't forget the base. That is the answer to what I have on the board. Then for the second question, I have number 2. I have solution here. I have 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, and I have 5, 5, 4. So I have my basis. I have my minus sign here. You are going to note something like we did to the first one. In our answer here, we are going to have numbers that are less than 6. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 should not be there. 6 and above should not be there. Then when you borrow from the other side, whatever you borrow must be the base of what you have, the base of what you are giving. Like in this question now, we have 1 minus 5. Of course, 1 minus 5 is impossible. So I have to go to the other side here and borrow 1 from these 3. If I borrow 1 from these 3, if I borrow 1 here, this 1 will remain in turn to 2. But the one I borrow from there, since I'm dealing with base 6, the 1 now will now become 6. So this one now, I will now add the 1 to the 6 that I borrowed from the other side. So this one now will now be 6 plus 1, which is 7. So I have 7 here. This one now will now be 7. Is now 7. 7 minus 5. That will give me 2. So I have 2 there. So here, you move to the next one. I have 2 here left. 2 minus 5. Also impossible. 2 minus 5 is also impossible. I'll borrow 1 from here. This one now will now become is 0. The one that I borrowed now, coming to this side now, will now become 6 because I'm dealing with base 6. So I'm going to add the 6 to these 2. So these 2 now, 6 plus 2 is 8. This one now will now become 8. So I have 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 now will give me 3. So I have 3 here. Then the next one I have is 0. Is 0 minus 4 is obviously impossible. So I will borrow the one that is left here. So I have the 0 left here. Borrow the 1. When the 1 comes to this other side, it becomes 6. I have the 6 to 0. 6 plus 0 will give me 6. So I have 6 here. So I'm going to have 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 will give me 2. So I have 2 here. Don't forget the, the base sign. We have come to the end of this particular episode. In our subsequent episode, we'll continue to solve problems, as many problems as possible. God bless you. God bless me. Take care.